Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious bourbon shake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream, 2 ounces of good quality bourbon, and 1/2 cup of whole milk. Don't forget your blender, measuring tools, and a nice glass. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect treat every time. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to blend. Carefully add 2 generous scoops of rich vanilla ice cream into your blender. Next, pour in 2 fluid ounces of your preferred bourbon. Then, add 1/2 cup of whole milk to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and wonderfully thick. Want to personalize your bourbon shake? There are many ways to make it uniquely yours. Consider swapping vanilla for a rich chocolate or a bold coffee ice cream. For an extra layer of warmth, a small dash of cinnamon or nutmeg can be delightful. And for the ultimate indulgence, top your creation with a swirl of whipped cream and a bright red maraschino cherry. Get creative and enjoy. Your delicious bourbon shake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a chilled glass. For an elegant touch, you might garnish it with a bourbon-soaked cherry or a light sprinkle of dark chocolate shavings. Remember, this is an adult beverage, so please enjoy it responsibly and savor every delightful sip. Cheers to your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.